Hi guys, welcome back to Namo's channel. So today, we're going to be looking at how are tornadoes formed. So, the first part leading to a tornado formation is that warm air heats up the ground, which rises up into the air, creating small fluffy clouds which we often see during the day. But if the atmosphere is unstable, then it rises to much greater heights, creating giant thunderstorm clouds, which often comes with storms. Within the thunderstorm cloud, the winds vary in speed, and sometimes it's so diverse that the faster wind circles around the slower wind, which creates a vortex. The cool air brings down the vortex slowly towards the ground, and eventually the vortex becomes so focused strongly that it creates violent winds circling round and eventually touches the ground, creating a tornado. The thunderstorm clouds where tornadoes often form are called a supercell, and tornadoes are often found in America. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Leave a like and a sub if you want more Namo's channel. Bye!